Welcome back to Incredible Machine. Today we are excited to introduce you to an impressive lineup of forestry machinery and their outstanding features. If you are passionate about powerful machines and innovative technology, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any exciting content. Let's explore the wonders of the machine world together right now. In a gigantic wood processing factory, there is an impressive yet very dangerous scene. A man is operating a massive saw, cutting 60-foot long logs into thin slices. Every time the sharp blade touches the wood, he is not protected by any safety equipment. He even manually pushes the logs into the conveyor belt after cutting and cleans up the saw in front of the large active blade. Watching this, I can't help but feel anxious. But I also truly admire his professionalism and skilled expertise. While this job might be familiar to him, it is extremely hazardous. The Volvo FH16 is truly a symbol of power and versatility. Watching it glide through the narrow, empty passageways between buildings with the trailer folded was already astonishing, showcasing the driver's incredible handling skills. But when the truck returned fully loaded with logs, the aerial shots capturing the entire process left me utterly mesmerized. The driver's exceptional control and patience were truly remarkable, leaving me in awe and admiration. Thierry du Le Mans must be extremely proud to have such a top-notch transportation system. The Ponce Ergo C5 with its H7 cutting head is performing an impressive task as it fells a giant tree in southern Germany. Witnessing this machine handle a massive spruce with a volume of 6.1 cubic meters without bark is truly awe-inspiring. The Ponce Ergo C5 not only demonstrates superior performance, but also exemplifies cutting-edge technology in the forestry industry. This scene leaves viewers in admiration of the machine's ability to conquer such formidable challenges with strength and precision. Amid the snow-covered landscape of Finland, the Rajamäki Firewood processor is carrying out an impressive task. With the ability to grip and handle 11-meter-long logs with a diameter of 420 millimeters, the machine easily cuts and splits the logs into 18 pieces. The beautiful scenery of falling snow highlights the power and efficiency of the Rajamäki, transforming the arduous work of winter into a smooth and remarkable process. The fastest whole tree harvester in the world is truly a marvel of modern technology. The machine not only effortlessly fells large trees, but also quickly processes them into smaller sections, optimizing the harvesting process. Wow, this wood processing machine with its hydraulic cutter and splitter is truly incredible. It's undoubtedly the best wood splitting and processing machine I've ever seen. The design is exceptionally innovative and efficient, combining a powerful hydraulic cutting system with a high-performance wood splitter, making heavy-duty tasks remarkably easier. He should definitely consider patenting this masterpiece and starting a business right away. It's genuinely an admirable piece of engineering. The Pezzolato PTH 1300-1500s M drum wood chipper, equipped with a 12-cylinder Caterpillar engine boasting 1150 horsepower, is truly a colossal and powerful machine. Mounted on a trailer and featuring a discharge conveyor, the PTH 1300-1500M represents a perfect fusion of advanced technology and superior power. Watching it in action, one cannot help but be amazed at its ability to quickly and efficiently chip large logs. This machine is an ideal choice for heavy-duty forestry tasks, delivering the highest levels of performance and user satisfaction. The long-body Scania R540, equipped by Firewood, is truly a pinnacle of engineering excellence. Featuring a coordinated seating system paired with the Dale 700 and a blue Palfinger Epsilon S270L crane, this truck is not only powerful but also aesthetically harmonious. The FG57X grapple, combined with a 9.8-meter crane, offers impressive operational capabilities, effortlessly handling large logs. Maus Holztransporte, in operation since 1896, has demonstrated resilience and professionalism over the decades. And with such modern equipment, they continue to solidify their position in the industry. The homemade Sages Paltautomet firewood processor is a remarkable testament to creativity and craftsmanship. Watching large logs being cut and split into small firewood pieces in an instant is truly awe-inspiring, showcasing the skillful hands of the creator. The machine operates smoothly and powerfully, transforming a heavy-duty task into an effortless and efficient process. This is indeed a proud achievement, bringing joy and satisfaction to every moment of work. The Demonio 2300 mulcher paired with the Challenger MT 665D is truly a perfect duo for forest management. With a working width of 2.3 meters and a processing depth of up to 40 centimeters, this machine operates powerfully and efficiently, turning tree trunks and hard soil into small fragments. Watching the Demonio 2300 and Challenger MT 665D effortlessly handle the forest is astonishing and inspiring, showcasing their immense power and capability. Hey everyone, thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We hope these innovations have inspired and fascinated you. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our exciting upcoming content. See you in the next video.